Welcome! If you're looking to filter your Instagram likes so you only see the posts you've liked, no reels, no videos, just posts, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through the updated steps to quickly find only the posts you've liked on Instagram. Let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on your phone. Make sure you're logged into the account where you want to check your liked posts. Next, head to your profile. You can do this by tapping your profile picture in the bottom right corner of the screen. Once you're on your profile, look to the top right and tap the three horizontal lines. This is the menu button, sometimes called the hamburger menu. From the menu, tap on Your Activity. This section is where Instagram keeps a record of all your interactions, including your likes, comments, and more. Now, find and tap on Likes. Here, you'll see a list of everything you've liked recently, but by default, this might include posts, reels, and videos all mixed together. To filter this list, tap on Filter by Content Type. This option lets you choose what kind of content you want to see. Since we're focusing on posts only, select Posts. Instantly, Instagram will update the list to show you only the posts you've liked, making it much easier to find that photo or carousel you're looking for. This feature is perfect if you want to revisit your favorite photos or keep track of content you've engaged with without having to scroll through reels or videos. And that's it. You've now filtered your Instagram likes to show only posts. This updated method is quick, easy, and helps you stay organized on Instagram. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on making the most of your favorite social media apps. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.